is Christmas time and I have a gift from my mom. I'm super excited. It is the 9-bot kickstand. It is a D40x, which I could not find a lot of information on. So I think it's an exclusive for Best Buy. But from what I hear, it's just the F40 with a seat. All right, so let's see what's in here. Here we go. All right, so we can see in here. So this is obviously tools. Boom. Handy dandy. Styrofoam, great for protection, horrible for the environment. Alrighty, so this is the handlebars. This is my plug. I think I'm out of frame. Let me scoot over this one. This is something. So plugs, we're gonna put this over here. And then we're gonna continue to Alright, so this is clearly the handlebars. So we're gonna circle this around, and then we're gonna go ahead and I don't know what we're doing. So I'm going to set her up. She's very heavy. There we go. So now I need to let the camera up some. Not a lot. Okay. So okay, I'll get the book. Alright, so Merry Christmas, everybody. I probably should have said that first. And again, you may notice a flickering of my lights because I don't want to get it fixed because it costs money. And I got another light. It's good. It's good. Let's go at user manual first. Welcome. Okay, so it's saying put the seat together first, but I don't know if I want the seat on there right now. So let's just not. Oh, that was for the seat user manual. Okay, here we go. So first things first, obey your thirst. It's actually almost charged. Interesting. It's at 69%. But we're gonna follow the directions because I don't wanna mess it up. Alright, so now it says unfold the handlebar. So let's get that started. Unfold the handlebar. The directions are really not that great. There we go. Alright, so now we have to put the handlebar in. Okay, and then it says slide the handlebar in the system with the headlights. Install 4 screws in order, 2 on each side with the including screw. It says in order, but there's no order here. Oh, front, back. Okay, there is an order. Okay, so it's front top, then back bottom, then front bottom, then back top. Okay. Nothing jiggling. Nothing wiggling. Okay. So that's that. Activate and active kick scooter will keep beeping when turned on. Alright, so I gotta download some stuff, so bye. So, couldn't wait. Yeah, we went to the store and it is like 19 degrees outside, but we here. I want some moon pies.
Jack going for a ride on his scooter in the cold. It's probably 13 degrees outside in Atlanta. And